Tell me, your daughter, I mean, what does she prefer watching? Your tough guy movies or your...
No, just the comedies. She won't watch.
She gets scared?
Yeah, she doesn't want to see me upset or angry in any of her films.
Or getting into a fight?
Oh yeah, she doesn't want to see anything of that sort, so she's happy with comedy.
So you're not going to show her one?
So she sees the promo and she decides she doesn't want to see it.
She doesn't want to see it?
No.
Oh, that...
She'll never watch something where I'm serious or I'm doing action or things like that.
Ajay, I've asked you this before, but what are you more comfortable with? Comedy, because you've got a great sense of timing.
See, for one, I'm very lucky that I'm doing different kind of, and I've been accepted in different kind of roles. And if that wouldn't have happened, I would have quit by now because I can't go on doing the same thing again and again. So when you talk about comfort, if I've done a comedy, I would be comfortable in a drama. If I've done a drama, I would be comfortable in a comedy. You can't put one genre there.
Your look is making waves. You designed it yourself? Once upon a time look?
I guess the look is not so complicated. I mean, I think it's the attitude and the look combination which is working. But otherwise, we just followed the reference of, you know, long hair. They had long sideburns and with mustache and wearing just white. So more than that, I think it was just that.
See, today's movies have a lot of kissing scenes. In the olden times, they used to show two flowers in the 70s. So what is adapted in this one? Is it modernized enough?
Yeah, I told you it's put in today's times. So I mean, people did kiss at that point of time, and
it wasn't shown.
It wasn't shown, but we are not making the film in the 70s. We are making the film of the 70s.
Of the 70s, yeah. So there's a lot of that because there's Imran.
No, there's a lot of that. No, I don't know. That you see the film for.
Imran is there. He's all. I mean, come on, yeah.
Yeah, so that you ask Imran.
Yeah, you're directing your next one as well.
Oh, there's time for that.
There's time for that.
Next year, I'm too occupied right now.
Okay, which is your favorite song in this movie? Because a couple of the songs have really caught on.
All songs are working. Peelu is working very well. Tum Joy is working very well. I like Tum Joy, Rahat Fateh Ali song. Then Parda is there, which reminds you of that retro Monica, oh my darling kind of feel.
That's one.
That song. So it works. Everything is working.
दिन है सोना और चांदी रात बन गई